Díagíomh hisismóirí agus a feistíon seachtain seo tá jog obair capital seachtéig Spraoi scoil, Chapter 17, Fun at School. Agus fecham go bhfuil na pastí le sa siomranga leis an múnteoir. I see that all the children are in the classroom with the teacher. Agus a new la gan éide scoile. Today is a no school uniform day. Ac ní roas ag sifra. But Shifra didn't know, mar hannig she is lena éide scoile he. So we're going to look at all the different types of clothes, éide go harithe, especially clothes, and look at Caratan na pastí or caihu, what are the children wearing. So to Shifra ag caihu a éide scoile, she's wearing her school uniform. To Magda ag caihu Guna Ildacha, she's wearing a colourful dress. To Sean ag caihu éide sport, he's wearing sports clothes. Agus tan na pastí and sin ag an dorchil ag caihu gúna jazz le blahanna Agus to cudge pastí in a chalu, one child is here in a sleep. Agus to bríste le rialta he's got trousers with stars on them. Agus fecham an buha ela ag léamh, I see this other boy reading. Agus ta she ag caihu bríste le spotty he's wearing trousers with spots. Agus tan cailín buck seo ag titchim den caiher. This poor girl is falling off the chair. Ta she titchim den caiher. Agus ta she caihu gúna jas le stríca she's wearing a lovely dress with stripes on it. Agus tan múnteoir ag caihu ganzi jas. She's wearing a nice jumper le spotty with spots on it. Agus bríste corcra, purple shoes. Tan cailín seo ag sugru, she's playing. Tan na pastí seo ag ihe, eating. Agus tan cailín sin ag scríomh, she's writing. So tá lean rud ag dul ará, there's lots of things going on. Agus fecham go bhfuil Elfie tíomh here den crinneog sa corneal. I see that Elfie is behind the globe there in the corner. Agus tá lean rud ag dul ará, but just clachtaí de ucla nua, practice your new words. Éide scoile, éide sport, gúna ildacha, spotty, stríca, rialta, buhil, cailín, ag sugru, ag paintail, ina hasú, ag titchim agus ina chalu, asleep, falling, standing, painting, playing, girl, boy, stars, stripes, spots, a colourful dress, sports clothes, and éide scoile, which is a school uniform. Agus in seachtain seo fastí tá obair our Dante nua, our new poems and songs. So our Dan the seachtaine is scoil, paint a scoobus paper, paint a brush and paper, paint the scoobus paper, paint the scoobus paper, Johnny miss a picture ditch le paint the scoobus paper. A paint, a brush and paper, a paint, a brush and paper. I will make you a nice picture with a paint, a brush and paper. So that's our Dan the seachtaine, our poem of the week. Agus Oran the seachtaine, our song of the week is Gan éide scoile, which means without any uniform or no uniform. Is Bralum la gan éide scoile. I love a day with no uniform. Ganzi skirta agus broga raha, to have on a jumper, a skirt and runners. Is bralum la gan éide scoile. I love a day without school uniform. Tílíne bríste agus broga raha, a t-shirt, a trousers and runners. Is bralum la gan éide scoile. I love a day without school uniform. Ag sugru agus ag spraoi le macharja, playing and having fun with my friends. Agus just ag bun and document shot at the bottom of this document. I wanted to go over the names of our éide scoile, our school uniform. Ganzi jumper, léine shirt, tíléine t-shirt, skirta a skirt, bríste trousers, broga shoes, blazer, stocky stocks, and carawat a tie. And you might say currart da, put on your. So when the children are going out to yard every day, I say currart vergoti a fasti, or currigi urav vergoti, put on your coats. Agus bunjiet da, there the last one means take off your, or I'd say bunigi jiv vergoti, take off your coats, children. Agus our phrase ella na seachtaine seo, or other phrases are an maitlat, do you like? And you say is maitlum or ní maitlum. I like or I don't like. And if I say cén sort édi atá shifra, for example, what sort of clothes has shifra on? You say tá éide scoile arthaí. She's got on her school uniform. Agus cén da atá and liom, for example, what colour is the shirt? You say tá dapan agus corcra and liom. It's white and purple, for example. So seo éad na frasí agus ar oclór nuad an seachtain na fastí. Bígí a clach the way practice it and bunigi sult as an topic. Guramaigov.